All right, we're moving on now. We have some breaking inputs coming in. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has hit out at Rahul Gandhi over the reservation row. The Prime Minister has posted an old video of Rahul Gandhi. PM says they want to deny rights to SC, ST, OBC and the Congress prefers unconstitutional Muslim quota. Let's take a look at the Prime Minister's post and the video that the Prime Minister has put out. It's an old video of Rahul Gandhi that the Prime Minister has put out on the Muslim quota row. In the latest face-off, the Prime Minister has hit back at Rahul Gandhi, and the Prime Minister is in fact citing an old video of Rahul Gandhi. The Prime Minister says their words and their promise is for everyone to hear. They want to deny rights to SC, ST and OBC communities, preferring unconstitutional Muslim reservation instead. Modi will not let them trample over Pujya Baba Sahib's constitution. In fact, on this the issue of Congress party's appeasement politics, as the Bharatiya Janata Party calls it, the Prime Minister himself in the interview with Times Now said that I'm not against upliftment of the Muslim community, but I'm against reservation based on religion. Let's take a look at the old video that has been posted by Prime Minister of Rahul Gandhi.
मुसलमान भाइयों को आरक्षण देंगे, शामिल करेंगे इनको। आज ही मैंने सोशल मीडिया पर कांग्रेस के शहजादे का एक वीडियो देखा है। ये बात बड़ी गंभीर है। मैं आप सबसे कहता हूं, मेरी इस बात पर गौर कीजिए। मैं मीडिया वालों को खास कहता हूं, जिन मीडिया वालों ने, जिन इकोसिस्टम ने ये गौर संप्रदायवादी लोगों की चमड़ी बचाने का काम किया है, वो भी जरा कान खुल करके सुन लें। ये वीडियो 11-12 साल पुराना है। ये कांग्रेस के शहजादे का वीडियो है।
Shivani is joining us with more details. Shivani, in our interview as well, the Prime Minister said that he's not against reservation or against the Muslim community. Definitely, and the BJP definitely does not want reservation based on religion. And that also, in fact, is a big issue as far as the Lok Sabha elections are concerned. The Prime Minister has now posted an old video of Rahul Gandhi.
Swati, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been highlighting the manifesto that was released by the Congress Party, where he had mentioned that the Congress Party wants to appease the Muslims for vote bank, and now he has repeated the same thing. He has said that BJP believes in Sabka Vikas, so the rules should be same for all, upliftment should be for all, not only for a particular religion but for everybody, and if at all the reservation is there, it should be for the OBCs, SCs, STs. That's what the Prime Minister and the BJP leaders have been highlighting. And now Prime Minister Narendra Modi has once again tweeted with this video of Rahul Gandhi, where he says that he will never let Congress Party to tamper with the constitution of Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar, and there should be no reservation on the basis of religion. That's what has been highlighted and upheld by the BJP and Prime Minister Narendra Modi. And once again he's reiterating, as the election is moving on, Swati, we've heard Prime Minister Narendra Modi a number of times in his rallies too. He says that the BJP and his government believes in Sabka Vikas, and the religion-based reservation should not be there.
Shivani, stay on with us. Aditi will show us the Prime Minister's post. Yes, Aditi, over to you.
Well, exactly. The Prime Minister goes on further to say their words and their promise is for everyone to hear. They want to deny rights to SC, ST and OBC communities, preferring unconstitutional Muslim reservation instead. Modi will not let them trample over Pujya Baba Sahib's constitution.
So that's the Prime Minister's post. Is also attached a video of Rahul Gandhi, an old video of Rahul Gandhi, where Rahul Gandhi talks about Muslim community, Muslim quota, and he says उन्हें हम आरक्षण देंगे, उनको भी हम शामिल करेंगे. So the Prime Minister is calling out the appeasement politics of the Congress Party. Thank you to Aditi and Shivani for getting us the details. With that, we're slipping into a short break. News and updates will continue.